Hey, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is down below. I post video lifestyle, panning, and more. And today I'm going to be sharing my progress on my 2021 rolling project pan, which I'm really excited about. I can't believe it's already been like 2 months into the project. I know my last video was also a panning video, which I feel like nobody's gonna be mad about because I kind of claim myself as a project panner these days. I didn't so much in the beginning, but now I feel like I've claimed that title and I accept it. I don't know, I love project panning. I don't know what the point with all that was. But today's video is going to be, like I said, my rolling project pan update. This is update number 2. I will have one rollout, which I'm very excited about and stuff. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing is my Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes body mist, fine fragrance mist, whatever you want to call this. I've had this for a very long time, and this I've been making very steady progress with. So we started out up here, now we're down here, and then we went down here, and now we're just about right here. So we made really steady progress. I'm probably gonna do like overlaying clips showing you the progress because it's very hard to show like on camera like this. I just feel like you can't really tell, but I'm really like excited about the progress. Like that's like a good jump for progress, and I'm happy with it. I wear this pretty much every day. Sometimes I forget, like this morning. But I love the smell of this mist. I've had it for so long that it's time to like keep using it. I want to say within the next 2 updates I'll probably have this used up. I'm not really 100% sure, but that's how I'm pretty much feeling with this. Like I feel like in the next 2 months I can definitely have this used up. And I like panning fragrances. I don't really have more mists, but I do like the thought of like using up fragrances, so that's definitely something I might keep incorporated in the project and stuff. So we'll see on that. So next I am panning the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and on the Cusp. This was limited edition. This is part of the Kathleen Lights Zodiac collection. So I'm panning this in this so I'm panning this in the project. This is what it's looking like and stuff, and obviously we'll be popping on pictures from the previous months and stuff, from intro to update 1, that kind of stuff. But I feel like I've made steady progress with this. I was also panning the Flexitarian highlight from ColourPop this month in my deck of panning. So I was kind of like multitasking with both of these, but that one, if you saw that update, which if you didn't, I'll link it down below. But with that update, I did end up rolling that one out since I hit my goal, but that one will stay in rotation. But I'm really excited about my progress. I feel like I don't know, it's hard to say with this because this is so like fine milled that like it goes by fast, but it also doesn't and stuff. But I don't know, it could be like a couple months or like 3 months, well, we don't know. But again, if you watch my intro, you know that I'm just basically trying to use this up since it is a limited edition, and I feel like I still have like 2 to 3-ish months more to go with this, depending how much I wear makeup and stuff like that. And right now I've been wearing makeup give or take like 2 to 4 days a week and stuff. Usually on my off days I will wear makeup. That's just been my thing. But yeah, I'm really interested to see where this goes, and things that I'm trying to use up I don't really put a number goal on, or I don't really track how many times I'm using it because I'm typically using it on a daily basis. Also, something that I am trying to finish, which I feel like I'm finally getting there with this is the Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub. Kit pan, I guess we could say, on this, which I'm very excited about. I feel like I will have 1 more month, maybe 2 more months with this. It's hard to really say, but I have been using it every day. So I think if I use it every day, I possibly could get this out of my collection within the next month. I don't know if you can hear Cooper snoring. I don't know if you can hear Cooper snoring, but he's definitely snoring. So sorry if you can hear him literally snoring. I don't know if you can, but that's funny. But I pretty much use this every day. so I wouldn't be surprised. And like giving it a look, there's really not that much more left, so I wouldn't be surprised if I was able to use this within the next month. I've been panning this since the Roulette pan collab in September of 2020, so it's definitely been literally it's gonna be coming up on like 6 months with this. So I've been panning this for the last 6 months. I can't wait to finish it. I'm hoping to finish it soon, and I think if I use it, like I said, every day, I possibly could. And sometimes I use this multiple times a day because it's a really good lip scrub. Not my favorite lip scrub, but it's a good lip scrub. Then I have this Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This one's in the flavor, I think it's like maple or something like that. This is like a limited, I think it was limited edition. And with this one, there's like a lot of air in it, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I don't think I've really made much more progress. I was like about right here within the last update, and I've pretty much stayed steady. I've stayed steady at that point, so I don't know if I have like, you know, improved or anything with this, but I am at about the same rate, and I do think this is gonna take me forever to use up. It could be in this whole year-long project and stuff. It's not as easy to use up as like the other one, just because this one actually has a little bit of a tint to it. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm like basically almost at the halfway mark, if not the halfway mark with this, but I use it like usually when I'm wearing makeup. Not really so much of non-makeup days, but I usually wear it under makeup. It's a really good like lip thing. Really flying through this update. So next I have the Phase Zero eyeshadow, and this is probably the only one in the project that has a number goal. But this is what we're looking like with that. And so I've used this 3 times. My goal is 15 uses. So I believe I have 13 more uses with this. I try to use this as much as possible. And actually the eye look I'm doing today, this would have been great under the glitter eye shade I use. So I'm definitely gonna incorporate that more into next month, into my more uses of this as I use it more. But really I'm only using this to get use out of it. And lately I've just been into using like pops of colors. So that's the reason why I haven't been using it all that much. But I think I'm gonna make it a goal to get this used up by the 6-month marker of this project. I don't really want to be using that then, but we'll see. Gonna keep trucking along with this. It might take a while to use up, but we're gonna try. And then lastly, I have this ColourPop shadow. My goal last month was to use it up, and I'm calling this done. There's basically nothing left, as you can see, maybe a little bit around the edges, but nothing to get like a full on eyelid. I'm calling this done. There's basically hardly anything left, so I'm calling this done. So that's what we're looking like. And I have panned this, I believe, all of 2020, and I think I might have added it in halfway into my 2019 project pan. So it's been a long time coming, and I'm excited that I finally used this up. I've had it for years. I also have a lot of Kathleen's other collab pan eyeshadows from ColourPop, especially the Super Shocks. I have quite a few. So at this moment, I'm not gonna add another shadow in because obviously I have my Pan palette. This project I have that shadow that I just showed you, and I don't really want to add any more shadows in, so I won't be adding that in, but I'm happy to have used this up. So now onto what I'm rolling in. So I will be rolling in one product, and that's going to be this Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer. I'm deciding to add this in because I feel like I want to get more use out of this, and I haven't used this in a while, and I haven't really been into bronzer recently, so I kind of want to get back to bronzer, I suppose. So this is what it's looking like. I feel like I don't know what goal I want to make. The number in my head is going to be 25 uses. I feel like that's a fair goal. I want to go for more of a usage goal since everything else besides one thing in this project are finished it up. So I do want to go for something easier, and I really love this bronzer. I get it in my first ever Ipsy, I think, and stuff, so that's exciting. But I want to just get use out of this, so I'm gonna use it 25 uses, and I'll keep you updated, of course. Yeah, that's everything that I am panning. Be sure to give a thumbs up if you did. Let me know what you're panning down below. I'd love to hear about it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.